Good morning, everybody. Today we are hiking to Heart Lake. We are attempting to hike to Heart Lake. Chewy's bundled up. We've got the snowshoes just in case it gets a little deep up here. I don't think it will though, because the snow is nice and soft, or nice and packed down, so I think we'll be okay. But the snow has just started. It's Twin Lakes down there. We started at the Twin Lakes parking lot, pretty much. And we're gonna hike to Lake Mary, make a left, and hike along to Heart Lake. So we're at the junction for Lake Mary, which is straight ahead up here. And this way kind of wraps around Lake Mary. And I believe this road is called Around Lake Mary Road. So we're gonna take this up and join the Heart Lake trailhead. So here at Lake Mary, and we're almost to the trailhead that takes us up to Heart Lake. But I had to stop and see Lake Mary because that is gorgeous. It's frozen over, no one else here. Snow coming down. It's a beautiful day, beautiful day. Isn't that right?
Oh.
Time to put on our snowshoes, back to the trailhead, and that snow is really deep right there. And I believe Heart Lake is kind of up over to the left where that outhouse is, but that looks to be the trailhead right there. Now this is the Duck Pass trailhead for those who are familiar with it, and we'll take this and branch off over to Heart Lake. So making my way up the final push here. I just got up to the last switchback, and it's pretty exposed, so the snow's coming sideways. Harriet stayed back because she wasn't feeling too well, so making the final push, and should be there in a few minutes, I think. Pretty stormy. See, it's all exposed behind me here, so it's coming down pretty good. There's absolutely no one else out here, just me, and that makes it even better. Made it to Heart Lake. Can't see it, but it's there. It's just been coming down the whole time. It's so beautiful out here, especially when it's snowing. My water actually froze coming up here. This was a great hike. We parked where the road closes, right at the entrance to Twin Lakes, then hiked along the road and took the road up, I believe it's called Lake Mary Road, up to the start of Lake Mary, took a left, and then made a left at the Coldwater Campground and took the trail up to Heart Lake. And from the end of Coldwater Campground to Heart Lake, it was only a mile. It's uphill and in the snow, but if you're gonna go snow hiking in the Sierra, this is a pretty good hike to do. I recommend this hike. So come on out and do this hike. I'm the only one here. Oh my gosh, snow is relentless. Just got the chains on. Time to head into Mammoth. See what's going on. How you doing?
It's cold. Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Can I get a venti red eye, please? Good morning. In the Sabrina Basin, early in the morning. Came up to do to get some nice early morning sunrise photography, and also put the drone up in the air. Hello everybody. Today we're hiking along the Rock Creek Trail in the lower Rock Creek section of Rock Creek. We've never been here before, so this is all new to us, and it's very overcast, but it's gonna be a beautiful hike, and we're ready, aren't you? Whoa, hey doggy, how you doing? Oh, your dog's so cute. Hi, hi. Oh, he's good, he's good. Hello everybody, and welcome back to another hike. We did this hike in January, right after it had just snowed in the Mammoth Lakes basin. We started this hike at about 10 a.m. and ended up finishing about 4 hours later at 2 p.m. For this hike, I packed my day pack and carried a liter of water, which I hardly drank because it actually froze as I hiked up to the lake with my wife. And I think we just had one snack as well. My snack happened to be a Quest peanut butter protein cookie, one of my favorite flavors. And my wife took a couple of Kind bars. So getting to this trailhead was a little bit different compared to most of our hikes because we didn't end up parking at the trailhead. We actually parked alongside the road right after the turnoff for Twin Lakes. So as you drive up to the Mammoth Lakes basin, we passed Twin Lakes on the right, and then we just parked alongside the road and hiked along the kind of groomed, semi-groomed trail up to the trailhead. So that added about 2 miles each way to this hike, probably a little bit more, maybe about 2.25 to 2.5 miles each way just to get to the trailhead start. But once you're at the trailhead for this hike, so if it were summertime and you parked right at the trailhead, I could imagine this hike would probably take maybe an hour and a half total. So I shot this video with my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I also filmed with my GoPro Hero 8, which I love. The stationary shots were filmed with the GoPro, and I just kind of stuck the GoPro into the snow and we would walk by the camera, and that's how I got those shots. So my iPhone wasn't actually in the snow. So for all the other shots, it was all iPhone. Everything else was GoPro. From where we parked alongside Twin Lakes, the trail was approximately 4 miles up to Heart Lake. Took about 2 hours, and we climbed about 1,100 feet in elevation. So not much elevation gained. However, it was in the snow, and it made for a little bit of a challenge to get to Heart Lake, but overall, I would do it again, even in the snow, because it was a fantastic journey. The reason we went on this hike was because it's January and we haven't hiked in the Sierras in quite some time. And if you follow this channel, you know that we love to hike in the Sierras. So we needed to get back out there and do some mountain hiking, and the fact that there was nice fluffy white snow and the snow was coming down at the start of a pretty big storm which dumped 7 to 10 feet in the Mammoth area, it was a beautiful day hike, and one that I won't forget because of the amount of snow that was falling and the solitude that we found out there because of no one being out there. It was a very memorable hike. And until next time, this is Sheedy33. Goodbye.